Hey, welcome to Love Live Save. Today we're going to focus on $10 and under deals. These are all deals that you can do to stock up on some great products for as low out of pocket as we can possibly get away with. If you're wanting to focus on couponing in 2023 so that you are prepared with an amazing stockpile and you want to save a bunch of money in the process, be sure to subscribe here to my YouTube channel. We can totally do this together. On average, each week I write 70 to 100 couponing deals. However, I don't have enough time to post each and every deal on all my different platforms. So each and every week I post my complete deals list as a downloadable PDF to my Patreon page to make things super easy. You can either print the list or download it to your phone. For a small monthly fee to support my work, you unlock a variety of benefits from the deals list, access all of my couponing planner pages, the ability to join my live couponing chats on camera to ask questions and request deals, to my brand new couponing sticker club. My Patreon memberships are the easiest way to coupon in the new year. All the information is linked in the video description. So let's get started with the reason you're here. For our first $10 and under deal, it's a really great one to stock up on Microban with those amazing set of new coupons that we got on Sunday. So for first, grab 2 of the Microban sprays for $12 and first clip the $6 off of 2 Microban coupon. And then grab 1 more of the Microban spray for $6 and then clip the $3 off of 1 Microban coupon. Next, grab one of the larger size cans of Microban spray for $6.75. And then finally grab one of the Airwick plugins for $2.25. When we add everything up before coupons with this deal, our total retail value comes to $27. But after all coupons, and of course, I always say, that includes the 5 off 25 Saturday coupon that you gotta make sure you clip, that brings our final out-of-pocket down to just $8 plus tax. That's a total savings of $19. You see what I'm saying? This is the perfect deal to start stocking up on Microban for your household. Our second deal is a really good example of what I've been saying all week since Sunday, that this is a really great time to stock up on cleaning supplies. Grab 2 of the Mr. Clean cleaners for $6.50. Then grab one of those Microban sprays for $6. Grab one of the 6-count packs of Sparkle paper towels for $6.95. And then finally grab 2 of the Febreze Air Effects for $6.50. So let's add everything up. Before coupons, our total retail value with this deal comes to $25.95. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to $9.40 plus tax. That's a total savings of $16.55. Lately, I've been getting a lot of requests for laundry deals. It seems that a lot of us couponers have a lot of our laundry stockpile being depleted recently. So I wanted to put this third couponing deal together for you. Grab one of the boxes of Gain dryer sheets for $7.45. Then grab one of the big boxes of Bounce Pet dryer sheets for $9.95. Grab 1 bottle of Eucerin lotion for $5.75. Now I want to make sure I comment here. With winter coming, I don't know about you, but my skin gets so painfully dry and cracked during the winter months. So if you're like me, this Eucerin coupon is a great time to stock up. We very rarely see this $3 off of 1 Eucerin lotion coupon, so I highly encourage you to take advantage of it. And finally, grab 1 box of Crest toothpaste for $3.35. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.50. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes all the way down to just $10. So that's a total savings of $16.50. I love coupon deals like this. For our fourth couponing deal, grab 2 Febreze Small Spaces for $6.50. Then grab 2 Mr. Clean cleaners for $6.50. Next, grab one of my favorite lotions, 1 bottle of Nivea lotion for $5.25. And then finally grab one of those bottles of Eucerin lotion for $5.75. When we add everything up before coupons here, our total retail value comes to $27.35. Now, after all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes all the way down to just $8.80 plus tax. That is a total savings of $8.55. That is almost double, the savings is almost double the cost that you are actually paying out of pocket. Ooh, I'm telling you, this is such a great time to stock up on cleaning supplies. For our fifth deal, grab 2 bottles of Mr. Clean cleaners for $6.50, 1 box of Bounce Pet dryer sheets for $9.95, 1 bottle of Gain Fireworks for $7.45, and finally 1 Arick plug-in for $2.25. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.15. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to $9.65 plus tax, so that makes for a $16.50 of savings. For our sixth deal, grab 1 bottle of Eucerin lotion for $5.75, 1 bag of Tide Pods for $9.95, and I want to make sure I comment here. If you are a fan of Tide Pods, I highly recommend you take advantage of one of these deals because this $3 off of 1 Tide Pods coupon for the bags, not the big container, it's a rare coupon. I highly encourage you to take advantage of it. Grab 1 bottle of Microban spray for $6. And finally, grab 1 box of Crest toothpaste for $3.35. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.05. I know that one's cutting it close. You may want to grab just a little bit of a filler item at the register, maybe like a pack of gum or something like that. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to $9.05. So that's a total savings of $16. For our seventh deal, grab 1 box of Crest toothpaste for $3.35, 1 bottle of Eucerin lotion for $5.75, 1 pack of Huggies diapers for $10.50, and then 1 can of Microban spray for $6. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.60. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to $10.60 plus tax. So that makes a total savings of $15. Now I know technically you're going to tell me, Mandy, this couponing deal is over $10. It's barely over $10, just 60 cents. It's a really great deal, especially when you consider it includes diapers, and that's one of the hardest things to get good deals on. So I left it in, hoping it could help you. For our eighth deal, grab 1 box of Crest toothpaste for $3.35, 1 bottle of Gain fabric softener for $7.45, 2 cans of Microban sprays for $12, and finally, grab 1 of the Arick plugins for $2.25. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value with this deal comes to $25.05. Again, another one that you may want to consider grabbing a pack of gum at the register, just in case. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes all the way down to just $7.30 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $17.75. For our ninth deal, grab 1 of the Arick plugins for $2.25. 1 box of Colgate Optic White toothpaste for $7.50, 1 box of Bounce Pet dry sheets for $9.95, and finally 1 can of Microban spray for $6. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.70. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to $9.45 plus tax, so that makes for a $16.25 of savings. For our 10th deal, grab 1 box of Crest toothpaste for $3.35, 2 bottles of Mr. Clean Cleaners for $6.50, 1 of the Swiffer Sweeper kits for $14.50. Now, super important here, I want to make sure I comment. I didn't realize I was reading the coupon wrong until this very moment of recording this voiceover, that the coupon for $6 off is when you buy 1 Swiffer Sweeper and 1 of the refill kits. So you're going to want to grab maybe 1 of the Swiffer dry refills for $4.50, which of course is going to make your out-of-pocket just a little bit more, but it's still a really great deal. And then finally, grab 1 Arick plug-in for $2.25. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.60. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to $8.60 plus tax, which makes for a total savings of $18. But remember I mentioned, make sure you grab 1 of the Swiffer dry refills or maybe 1 of the wet refills. Doesn't matter, grab 1 of the refills. And of course, like I said, it's going to raise your out-of-pocket just a little bit more, but it's still a really great deal. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to sit with me and work through these couponing deals. Together, we can totally conquer couponing in 2023. I love hearing about your couponing trips and your growing stockpile. I want to try something a little bit different. Send me a photo of your couponing haul, your stockpile, whatever you're proud of. Multiple times a week, I'm going to pick one of you to feature here on my YouTube videos. Don't forget to subscribe here to my YouTube channel and turn on notifications by clicking on the bell icon. That way you don't miss out on any of the future couponing deals or my fun Couponing After Dark live chats. Until next time, happy couponing.